many people don't pick up after their dogs? There's 4 piles of poop over there. What is wrong with everybody? For some reason this dog doesn't drink water, so I always have to mix water into her food and make her a soup for breakfast. Mug of the day is this mug that we got in Tokyo, Japan. We were eating outside of a fish market. We ducked into this tiny little place that was just covered with a tarp. And there were 2 or 3 tables, probably the size of this little porch table. We ate some very fresh sushi. They served us green tea in mugs that looked exactly like this, and then a couple of days later we saw the same mug at a gift shop, decided to pick one up, and now every time I drink from it, I'm reminded of that day. So that was the first installment of a new segment I've decided to do during quarantine, which is where I show you guys a different mug from my collection every time I make coffee. Look at this dog. Splayed out. Hi!
Ready to watch this? Hey. Whitey!
Oh, get in position.
She knows.
So what errands are we doing today?
I'm going to get a coffee.
You used all your matcha yesterday in that video.
Yeah.
We gotta get Paris some food. Is there anything else?
I don't think so. Look at her mouth. Oh, we need to clip her nails. Hi, Smiley Coyote.
Get her little mouth. Let's go. Put your mask on.
Put your mask on. Put your mask on.
Put your mask on. I'm so excited to drive my car. I haven't driven my car in so long. Oh my god, it still works. Guys, the kid from High School Musical, the series.
High School Musical, the musical, the series.
That's right, that's the show. He's right over there. And we always see him when we come to this coffee place. And he was just like standing out by his car, and I was like, oh, should we take a picture with him? Oh, we can't because of social distancing.
He's just like chatting on the phone. Also, I love that he still drives like a Honda.
Gotta stay humble.
Yeah. But whenever we would come here, he'd be here so early in the mornings, like
he's a hustler.
7 a.m. and I gotta respect it.
He's out here rolling calls.
Yeah.
Even during the pandemic.
Ugh. And he's so talented. I remember we went to his Instagram and he was posting videos of himself singing. Gotta stan, you guys. I don't remember what his name is.
Is he a High School Musical star or a TikToker? I don't know what his name is on the show though. He's the kid who plays Troy.
Let me see. Like, it's like the most basic white boy name. Let's try to guess. Tyler? Tyler.
Why are you looking at me, Carol Baskin?
What the heck was his name, babe? Tyler.
The creator. Yeah, maybe Tyler. Is it a T name?
No, I think I'm just thinking that because of Troy. Lucas? What's your guess?
It's like Alex.
No, it's not Alex. Maybe it is Alex. It's not Alex. Charlie?
I feel like it's one syllable.
Yeah, same. Luke. It's gonna make me so mad the second I see it. Ricky! It's so on here it says Richard Bowen and I was like, Richard? There you have it. We see Ricky Bowen, Joshua Bassett. How old is he? Like 17? 19. Oh, he's from Oceanside.
Those ocean sides.
Everybody.
Everybody gets it.
That TikTok is so funny.
What about the one last night of that girl who's like, when you turn 16, the name of the love of your life will appear on your wrist, and it says RAC. And then it's so long, it's like a full minute. At the end, it's just that clip of that dog going,
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Here's to seeing what kind of damage you did.
Crap! I wore my house Crocs out.
I'll have to wash them. You're okay.
The whole family is here.
For the clipping. Oh! Hey! Baby, look!
Hi, buddies. Alright, well, I did not shower today. Just been working all day. We have been doing these live streams with Emo Night and they're super fun. Tonight we have one with Dylan Francis and we do them every Tuesday, Friday, and then we're starting to do them more. I think we're gonna do them like every single night. I also spent most of today setting up Twitch for myself. So I downloaded The Sims. I think I'm gonna start playing The Sims and maybe just like picking some of my favorite sad songs and doing like sort of DJ sets, but also playing a game and just hanging out with people in the chat. So that'll be fun, but I'm about to sign out right now and make some burgers. So let's go make a burger. One of the only good things about, I guess, not having a wedding is that all the stuff from our registry has been getting delivered every single day. So we got these new pots, I got a new knife set, and we just kind of like bring everything up to the top of the stairs and then unbox it outside of the apartment because we don't want to be bringing germs in. So that's why that stuff is there. But one of the best things that we got is this little tiny electric grill. We're not allowed to have gas at our apartment, so got this electric grill. I'm gonna try it out for some burgers tonight. I've only ever done like sausages, which are like basically already cooked, but we're gonna try burgers for the first time on the grill. Ow, my finger, ow. Well, I tried to make burgers and failed. I just wasn't feeling safe about them. Started to defrost them in the fridge last night and then they weren't like all the way done. So we put them in warm water, which you're really not supposed to do. You're supposed to put it in cold water, and I knew that. And then they got all weird and they were like discolored. So Uber Eats is on the way. Free delivery from local businesses. Support your local restaurants. And they're gonna be way better than any burgers that I could make anyway, so.
That's not true. You make the best food.
Not lately. I've had one sip of this wine and I feel really dumb. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I haven't eaten anything.
I'm sad though because there's no shows on tonight.
Well, the Emo Night live stream is on at 8 o'clock with Dylan Francis.
Is he gonna play emo music or Dylan music?
Emo music.
Nice.
Lady. Alright, well, guess I'll have to go to the kitchen. You just rest up.